Good afternoon, and we will interview some students from CMET or College of Maritime Education and Training.
Yes.
What topic do you want to discuss about?
Online games.
Oh, are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
Who among you plays online games and who were addicted in online games?
I'm not really using that.
Wait.
But I'm not an addict.
Next question is, what online games do you usually play?
Dota.
Dota?
Run online.
Run online.
LOL. Ayun. Kabal.
Good.
Ragnarok.
Last nyo.
Ragnarok.
Okay, next question. How many hours you spend to play online games?
1 to 2 hours.
Oh.
3 hours.
Cool,
1 to
ah.
5 to 10. All day.
What do you play?
All day.
6 hours.
When you don't have class,
Do you play 8 hours? Or
No.
Yes.
half of the day? No.
Sometimes.
Oh, sometimes. So what you play?
Any kind.
Run online.
Valkyrie.
What do you feel when playing online games, especially with your friends?
Very excited. Cool.
Enjoyable.
Happy.
Joy. Interesting.
And next, what's the next? 6. Wait. So what benefits will you get from playing online games?
Developing our friendship with others and cooperation.
We develop social skills.
Leadership?
Yes. Because we need better tactics to win.
Yeah. With the captain.
Ano? Parang ano ba? Go, sige. So never mind.
Do you play online games before or after you do your assignment?
After. Sometimes.
Before and after.
During
During.
doing the assignment. Well, we can ask the other players.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some other
Good.
It's the use of the online game.
For your own opinion, what are disadvantages and advantages of online games?
Waste of money.
Waste of time.
Waste of money. It can ruin your eyes.
Yes.
Nice.
You can get more chicks.
Especially for SMP students. Yes. Marine students must have 20/20 eye vision. Low grades.
Low grades.
Low performance.
And what are advantages?
Oh, sinabi na nga eh.
Gain more friends.
Yes.
I think I'm tired.
So this is another question. So what will you
What your parents say when you're playing
Yes.
online games?
Pag mga kamay ko.
That we're playing.
Pag mga kamay ko.
Where you will play? In school?
Computer shop.
Computer shop. Not home? Home?
Not home.
So
That's all. Thank you
James,
for
that's
your
all.
time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. Welcome, sir.
Tara pre, doon tayo sa gitna. Doon. Wala pa.
Tara, tara.
and I